NEPAssist displays environmental data from many locations and sources to easily provide access to this information in one place. In this tutorial, you will learn how to turn on and off data layers to examine different information on the map in NEPAssist. For this video, we will be looking at a map of New Orleans. Always displayed on the right is your map legend, which contains a drop-down menu of map contents with data layers from both EPA and other public sources that are helpful for the environmental review process. To view the available data layers within a category, click on the adjacent plus sign. To display a data layer on your base map, click the box next to the layer. Several layers can be displayed at once. The check mark next to the mapping layer indicates whether the data is visible or hidden on the map. NEPAssist pulls in data on the fly from web-based services. Each mapping layer is supported by metadata that can be viewed by clicking on the associated button to the left of every layer. The data is pulled from the source into NEPAssist in real time, so the data is automatically updated when the source is updated. Depending on the data set, you can identify map features in two different ways. To identify EPA facilities and water monitoring stations, simply mouse over the facility or station. And an information box appears that contains basic information on the facility, as well as links to EPA reports on that facility. As you zoom out, facilities that are close together become clustered. When you mouse over them, you will see a list of sites in the bunch. And as you zoom in, the sites will begin to separate. To identify features for all other mapping layers, simply click on the feature you are interested in to view additional information on that feature. Some features contain hyperlinks to additional reports and documentation, allowing you to dig deeper into the information on that feature. When multiple features are identified, you can scroll through and view applicable features by clicking on the arrow located at the top of the attributes box. Additionally, to identify the data features of a selected data layer within a defined area on the map, you can use the Identify tool, found in the drop-down menu from the Tools icon at the top of the screen. To use this tool, make sure the appropriate layers are turned on for the feature you wish to identify on the map. Then select a map layer from the drop-down menu in the Identify tool window. Next, choose your shape type for defining your area of interest. To draw your area, left-click on the map and drag the mouse until your shape defines the appropriate area of interest. Then, simply let go of the click to finish. All of the features for the selected map layer are listed on the Identified tool window. Clicking on a listed feature will highlight that feature on the map and bring up additional information. If at any point while using NEPAssist you feel like you need more help or do not understand a term, there is support available. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see two icons. The first icon is Home, which will bring you to the NEPAssist homepage where you can get information about using NEPAssist. Next is the Help icon, which will open the NEPAssist user guide. The guide walks you through using different functions of the tool. Make sure to watch all of the NEPAssist training videos to optimize your user experience.